Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to install Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a daemon-based Linux distribution, penetration testing and security auditing OS. Kali contains several hundreds of tools which are geared towards various information security tasks, such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensic, and reverse engineering. Kali is developed, funded, and maintained by Offensive Security. It consists of more than 600 penetration testing tools, and all tools are free to use. Now open the browser and type Kali Linux and click on kali.org. That is first link. Here are the different versions of Kali Linux. So you can download any one version. Select the downloading link. It's a torrent file. So make sure that you have installed the torrent software so that it will be easy to download the Kali Linux OS. And next, select and save the file. You will get the torrent link and move to the folder. Double click on it and it will open the torrent downloader. Now I have already downloaded. It's an older version. Here you can see the downloaded file. Double click and unzip it, or you can also say it as extract. For unzipping file, you can also use WinRAR software. And after unzipping, open the folder and double click on 3-box Kali Linux VMware file. At this time, make sure that you have installed the VMware. Now the Kali will get installed. I am fast forwarding the video. And now enter the username as root and password as star. That's it. Now you can say it as we have installed the Kali Linux OS. You can use any tool for your hacking and for finding something. So in the next video, you are going to see the Metasploit, which is the most important part of this course. So that's all in this video. Thank you.